A man's life is not as easy as we see from outside. He struggles throughout his life to achieve something for his family. Sometimes he chooses a profession and gets hopeless and then switches the job again. He struggles throughout his life to achieve something for his family. It's not easy to earn for what it requires in this era. No matter how difficult the situation is, he works for his family in a hot, sunny, bright day, sweating and dehydrated but not giving up. Sometimes he fails, sometimes he achieves. Coming back home, fights with the partner over something very little, he gets frustrated. After all the years of struggle and hard work, things starting to pay him back, he finally sees some positivity. He starts to spend quality time with his family, keeping the future of his children in mind. There is sense of responsibility always there in his life, no matter how happy he and his family is. He thinks of building a house for the love of his life and children. After all his young age struggle, he is earning handsome amount to live up to the standard of current world and people in his surroundings. But, at the same time, the life goes on and he is aging, gets sick, spends on doctor's fee, but at some point of life, he says goodbye to everyone, and leaves the world. Man's biggest achievement is not that what he achieved for himself, but his family. Respect all men.